there everyone, this is a short recording of Improvers Solo Salsa routine number 9. Now this was something that was taught in the class for autumn term 1, Thursday the 3rd of September 2020, and it was week 1 of the 8-week online course. Wow, that's a lot of things. Okay, so Improvers Solo routine number 9. Just in case you're looking for the full class, the full 1.5 hour class, it was Thursday the 3rd of September, week 1 of 8, autumn term 1, and that is in the school year of 2020 to 2021. Don't forget, all of our videos in our main playlists are labelled by the school year because we start from the September and then go through to the following August. Right, let's make a start. Short routine, not too much, but it was a little bit funky. We had a basic 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I did a left foot Susie Q and a little tap on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I tapped behind on 5. I tapped out on 6. I then curled to my bottom on 7 and went back out on 8. And that was the whole bar. Okay, let's do that one bar again. That's bar number 2, just the one bar. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Bar number 3, little Botafogo step. So I've got a right foot back Botafogo, cross T tum, and a left foot closing Botafogo in T tum with a little bit more oomph. Okay, there's a little bit more styling going on there. So I've gone from the point and I'm going back, T tum, close, T tum. Now, next bar, shoulder movement, a little bit of a wriggle. Here we go, shoulders for half the bar. And then we brought the right foot in and we did tap, tap, cross. So it's a big bow tie, okay? The little bow tie, man's bow tie step that we do in the footwork normally is tap, tap, step, and we sit nicely in the middle. Tap, tap, sit down. Tap, tap, sit down. More like a closed plie, okay? This one we were doing it quite big, okay, and dropping down a little bit. So let's just do that again. From the back Botafogo, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice I crossed and went down. Last bar, we did a little bit of a corkscrew plie spin prep. So I was already down. I go slightly left, turn on my right, but notice my left foot. I left it, I left the left foot here, tucked in, crossed, with the shin touching on the back of the calf of the right foot. So I did twist down and I left it there. Yes, it's going to be still there when I come back. I'll come a little bit closer to the camera. So I'm going to go here, twist, and then, ooh, yeah? And then sink down a bit lower, and then we have body movement to come up for the last part of the bar. So we were just exercising the shoulders, a little bit of a wriggle, and whatever you decided to do, okay? I'm actually moving my shoulders in opposite directions, so I'm not doing that. That's 2 the same way going back. I'm doing my left one and then my right one in opposite directions. But you can do whatever you like. It was just the idea of putting in a tiny bit of body movement. Whole thing from the top. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was aiming to do my prep for the spin on 1, do the spin on the 2, 3, drop down at the end on 4, and use the 5, 6, 7, 8 to come up with a little bit of body movement. But you can play with that timing. There's nothing specific for that bar. You don't have to do it exactly the same. Let's do it with the music, shall we?